There's nothing like the feeling of getting something brand new, but even a greater feeling to know that you had something to do with helping to create an innovative tool that's a first of its kind. A dual-purpose machine that's, well, a lot like a game. With a current high score of over 2,000 bends and counting, the Detail Pipe Shop introduces you to the Pinball Machine, helping to save time, money, and give our world-class shipbuilders a competitive edge for the future.
This work is very critical because the bending process is kind of like the beginning of the whole process, because you can't have all straight pipe on the ship because you got so many forms and stuff that pipe have to form around, so therefore bending is real critical. My name is Moody. I'm a pipe bender. I've been in the shipyard for 32 years. Back when I came in the shipyard, like night and day. You had the hydraulic bending, you had levers that you had to pull, you had worn out heads. Everything you had to check with a bevel square, you had to use miracle points. But today's bending, it bends automatic. It checks the bends for you. You have lasers. Also, you don't have to turn on a wrench to set the machine up. So it's safe and it's a lot more efficient, it's quicker to set the machines up.
Well, what we did at the onset, we needed to replace aging machines. And we could have taken the approach, we can just replace it one for one, just say, okay, we have a machine, let's replace it. But I think the team took the approach that we wanted to kind of push the boundaries and kind of think outside the box and improve processes also. We had an extended factory acceptance test where we helped develop features of the machine, on the machine. So it was a collaborative effort, and it took approximately 1.5 to 2 years of an investment in time to install this machine. Having the dual heads, it's like having two machines in one. This machine actually bends 6 times the amount of jobs that the machines that it replaced. It produces work across our product lines, carriers and submarines. So we've had a sudden impact with this machine, and we can see production increases almost immediately.
It's called a pinball machine because of the arm motion, the whipping motion of a pinball machine. This machine bends from 1-inch pipe down to a 1/4 inch. You can do it in just a push of a button. It's a left hand and a right hand bender. Right hand meaning that a 9-inch rolls straight up. Left hand means that the roll is straight down. It's important for new shipbuilding to make these investments for the workers. I mean, we always look for better things to work with and have the right tools to do the job. So with them thinking of and showing that they want to do that means a lot to the employees. It's new for me, I adapt to change. A lot of older people don't like to adapt to change, and they think, one way is the way they've been doing it for all those years, it's the right way to do it, but hey, I have an open mind, so I adapt to change.
Ultimately, we're a world-class shipbuilding, and for us to stay competitive and stay at the top of the heap, it takes a continuous improvement, continuous investments, and I don't know what more you can say. It's just sense of pride, sense of accomplishment to know that the products that we build are the best in the world, and they're safe, and also, they afford our men and women of service, the opportunity to have the best products in the world to help defend our country.